Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, where we break down the bikes that matter for everyday riders. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hero HF Deluxe, a commuter motorcycle built for mileage, comfort, and reliability. Design and build. The Hero HF Deluxe keeps things simple with a clean, practical design. Its slim body, comfortable seat, and upright riding posture make it ideal for daily city commutes. The build quality feels sturdy, and the bike is light enough to handle tight traffic with ease. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 97.2 cubic centimeters engine, the HF Deluxe focuses on smooth, efficient performance rather than speed. It delivers strong low-end power for city rides and offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical bikes in its class. Comfort and ride quality. The suspension is tuned for everyday comfort, absorbing most road bumps with ease. Combined with a comfortable seat and relaxed ergonomics, the HF Deluxe is built to keep both rider and pillion at ease during long daily rides. Features and technology. It comes equipped with useful features like i3's idle stop-start technology, alloy wheels, and dependable drum brakes. The instrument cluster is simple and easy to read, prioritizing practicality over flash. Mileage and maintenance. Known for its outstanding mileage, the HF Deluxe helps keep running costs extremely low. With Hero's strong service network and affordable maintenance, it's a worry-free ownership experience for most riders. Final verdict. The Hero HF Deluxe is a smart choice for anyone seeking a reliable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly commuter bike. Simple, durable, and economical, it delivers exactly what daily riders need.